Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your love bite now. Pisces, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Pisces and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life now. Thank you. So Pisces, as always, we're going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels are going to bless this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Pisces. A blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Pisces. This one. All right. Let's put this here, Pisces. Let's put the rest back. And the card I have here for you is retreat. Maybe it's time to take a little vacation, Pisces, or maybe it's just time to retreat from a connection here. So let's see why this card is here. Maybe it's saying to take a step back. Let's open your cards and figure this out, okay, Pisces? And welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all your kind comments, your likes, your shares, and also for all the support that you're sending to the channel. I'm very grateful and thank you so much. And of course, if you're new here, Pisces, we welcome you too, okay? So do join us, subscribe to the channel. We welcome you to our Omkara family. And yes, Pisces, this Sunday I'm going to be doing a Valentine's special for all of you. Just a little fun read on Valentine's to see whether you guys are apart or together, how you really feel about yourself. Just give me a second, and my phone seems to be buzzing. Hold on. Sorry. Yes, as I was saying, I've switched the phone off now. Sorry for the disturbance. But as I was saying, if you guys want to catch the Sunday special, make sure your notification bells are on, okay? Because normally I don't post on a Sunday, but this Sunday is special, right? It's Valentine's Day. So I was saying, whether you're together with your partner or apart from them, let's just dig in and see what's really going on in their heart space. So with that said, let's do this read now. A small little love bite to see how you guys are doing. What is it that you need to know? And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Pisces, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. All right, so bottom of my deck, I have the Three of Cups. Some kind of celebration, Pisces, or maybe somebody is wanting a reunion or reconciliation with you, or maybe that's the way you're feeling right now. Let's open all the cards and check this out. Death in reverse, Five of Cups, Nine of Swords, Eight of Cups, Eight of Wands, the Hermit, Ten of Swords, Four of Cups, and the Wheel of Fortune. Wonderful. So yes, there's a little bit of difficulty letting go, I think. A lot of regret for the past. This could be you, this could be your partner, I don't know. We'll clarify these cards as we go. But the first look that I'm getting is somebody's doesn't want to have these sleepless nights and overthinking, looking for a return of someone or wanting to return back to someone, wanting communication. But right now feeling maybe things have maybe ended because of some foolish mistakes here, and feeling little sad and rejected. But the Wheel of Fortune is here, which is in the upright, so that's good luck, right? So we'll check it out, what's happening. But let's first take some dialogue message cards and see what's the underlying issue here. So Spirit, Pisces and their person, if they could say something to each other, what would that be? Pisces and their person, if they could say something to each other. Okay, let's take a few more from here. Pisces and their person, Spirit. Wow, lots to say. Okay, so let's take a couple more from here as well. Pisces and their person, Spirit. Okay. And we're good to go. Let's begin with the first card, which says It's best to part ways. We're not compatible like we used to be. Maybe this is something somebody said in the past and now regretting their actions. Somebody retreated, I think, from the connection, saying, hey, what's the point of being together? You changed up, and that triggers me. Maybe there was one partner who was just going along for the ride forever until one day they woke up and said, hey, this is not going anywhere. And I think it's best to part ways. I mean, if we're not going to be on the same page, and it's triggered somebody saying, hey, you changed. What's wrong? I mean, we were doing well according to me. And what changed? I want to make things right between us. Yes, somebody is regretting their actions now. They're feeling a lot of sorrow and regret for the way things have gone down and hoping and wishing to make things right now. I knew from the first time that I saw you that I would love you forever. Your smile made me fall in love with you, and I knew then that I wanted to wake up to see your smile every morning. So the love was there, but what I saw in the pre-shuffle was, I think somebody had commitment issues. Always on my mind, always in my heart. Yes, that's you, always and forever. No matter how complicated this gets, I won't ever give up on you or us. Like I said, somebody doesn't like this change. They don't like the change that maybe somebody's retreated from the connection or doesn't want to continue. Maybe they have their reasons. Maybe their partner never commits. Maybe their partner's never given them that feeling of security that we guys are together, but somebody is still having a little bit of anxiety about losing this connection and says, no matter how complicated this gets, I won't ever give up on you or us. With just one text, one call, one look, one smile, you make my day. You're the most important person in my life, and it doesn't matter where I am. I'm always thinking of you day and night. Yes, I do see somebody here feeling very bored and rejected and dejected. Nothing seems exciting anymore in their life since their partners, I think, retreated from the connection. I wish that you could love yourself the way I love you. I had to lose you to learn to love myself unconditionally so that you could then learn to do the same. I'm now shining brighter, and I have faith that you will one day see the true love and light within you as I do. So that's the reason somebody, I think, retreated, and even though it was very, very hurtful to retreat, they're hoping that their partner will also find that self-love and self-respect or whatever and come back brighter and stronger. My mind is racing and my heart is breaking with the doubts and insecurities your inconsistent behavior has created. I crave peace right now. My soul just feels very unsettled. That's the reason somebody left, because they felt I can't live in an insecure environment anymore. Your indifference could be the difference as to whether I continue to invest in you or our relationship anymore. So somebody has to come and make it right. Otherwise, their partner is not going to agree anymore. What's this death in reverse, Spirit? Death in reverse? Somebody doesn't want to let go of a loving connection. They know that this partner of theirs was very loving, sweet, kind, intuitive, and they may never ever get somebody like that once again. But I think they were a player, okay? They were inconsistent, to be honest. They were immature. They didn't want to take responsibility. They were inconsistent. Even though they liked that lifestyle, they also knew what they had in hand. They had the Queen of Cups with them, and now they're having regrets for the way they behaved, I think. Yes, the heart of hearts know that this was a soulmate connection. They knew that there was a lot of love here. This was a perfect partner of mine. But I think this person was a little bit of, in a little bit of a greedy energy where they said, hey, listen, I have my 9 cups. This is the way I like to lead my life. I'm not interested in that 1 cup, that main 1 cup which can bring us back together. This one, even 1 cup they were not willing to share with their feminine, and now they're kind of regretting their actions. They're very, very restless to understand themselves. I think, what did I do? I lost the best thing in my life here. 9 of Swords. Yes, they feel they want to come out of this stressful place now. They feel very, very stuck without their partner. They see, scared of change, scared a second time death in reverse has come. They don't want to complete this chapter. They are still clinging on to whatever little bit is left of this relationship. In fact, what they want is a rebirth of this connection. They want to begin again, I think. They're looking for a reunion. They want to fight for this connection once more. But right now, the Wheel of Fortune is, unfortunately, they're feeling that they're having bad luck because their partners now moved away. They want them to return, or they want to return back to them. 8 of Cups. Yes, they don't want to hide their feelings anymore, Pisces. This could be you, remember that. Or this could be the person you're thinking of. Somebody here wants to now not keep any more secrets. They don't want this silence between the two of you. They want to communicate, but they want to explain to you why they never took charge, why they escaped this relationship. But now I think they are going to be, at least they're thinking that I want to have a fresh new beginning. I know I was a cheat. I know I was a liar. This is the honesty they want to come with. These are the secrets they want to reveal. That, hey, listen, please return back to me. I know I hurt you. I cheated on you. I ran away from the connection. But can we please have a fresh new beginning here? This is the communication card, right? This is what they want to end the silence now. They don't like being in solitude. They don't like being in hermit mode. They want to come out of this lonely place they find themselves in. They feel their life is now at crossroads. They want to now leave all this trouble that's happened between the two of you and move to a calmer place once again. But the problem here is right now they feel they've really betrayed their partner. They are sitting in this regret, sorrow, feeling bad about the way maybe they've behaved. Now that nothing is making sense to them. No other offers are good enough for them. They are feeling like it's the end of the world now. Everything is over. So, sorry. 4 of Cups, Spirit. 4 of Cups. They want to now have their partner back. They want to have this equal partnership, but I don't think they know whether they will be accepted back or not. They feel this too much. They feel maybe their partners already released them. Maybe they feel that their partners already made a decision. Maybe will not open up to them. But they are wishing and hoping for a balanced relationship. They are hoping that they can resurrect the secure place. Yes, they're looking for communication. They want to clear the air now, Pisces. And the Wheel of Fortune is upright. So what's that, Spirit? Wheel of Fortune, what's it going to bring? Wow, they want to now come forward. They want to come in a very mature energy. They want to be that perfect spouse. They want to offer that 10 of Pentacles. They want to now offer commitment, and they want this Wheel of Fortune to move forward once again. Yes, somebody is looking for a reunion here, Spirit. Pisces. Anything else, Spirit? Yes, this person is not happy without you. They're not happy without you. Since you walked away, they've lost their passion, they've lost their zest for life. So, and they know it's their fault. They know that they are the ones who caused this tower to fall, maybe because they disrespected an empress here. This empress is coming up as the Queen of Pentacles, who is the perfect partner, perfect spouse. Now they want to level up and come to this Queen's level and say, hey, I'm going to be your King of Pentacles. Okay, so I really hope this resonates with all of you out there who are in separation. But of course, this is a general read. Let me know how it works out for Harmony. But somebody does want to come to bring back balance and justice in this equation. So that's all I have for you, Pisces. Till then, take care, love and light.